U.S. Capitol under siege. Pro-Trump protesters descend onto Capitol Hill in Washington, D.C. to stall Biden's confirmation. And response of two presidents. Biden and Trump address the nation amidst chaotic Capitol protest. Good evening. Welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our feedback question this evening. What are your views on the protests in the United States?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.